You say hi. What's your name? Thank you to you because you're helping us how to get back. We're lost. Thank you so much. What's your name? Do you have TikTok?
Yes, yes. VIV.
What's your name?
Yes.
Jasly. Do you have TikTok?
Yes.
Okay. Can you follow me back and I'll follow you back? I'm LovelyLen09. Hello everyone. This is me LovelyLen. I'm sorry guys. I cut the live that we have because we're lost. We're in the middle of nowhere. Jilib actually. We're riding on a bus and I hope we can go home. Exactly what time now? It's already 7 o'clock in the evening. But anyways, we are heartedly thank this good heart man. I hope you follow him also. Thank you so much.